I'm making a Trixie bow.
So yes, this, you didn't see anything, I hope. That was the material I'm using for the bow.
I want it to be a surprise, so I'll show you the material, but the dress, it's actually the exact same dress. I'll explain the story. I bought the first dress and I put on 20 pounds and then I couldn't fit into the dress. So then I had to buy the next size up because my boobs would not fit the dress. If you saw my last Over the Rainbow Ago TikTok, my boobs would not fit the dress, and then finally they did fit the dress. So now I was like, this dress needs a bow. So I'm using the old dress that I originally first bought, and I'm gonna make a bow. And I'm gonna quickly show you how I make it. Lay your dress flat. I kind of just went there and just did it. So I'm gonna just trust the process. Pin it all down. I only pinned one side because I know what I'm doing. You can use a glue gun, but it will just speed up quicker if you just use a sewing machine. Go away. Before you pin everything down, make sure you flip your fabric inside out. So you have the actual fabric flipping on the inside. There is 2 layers that I'm using to thicken the fabric. Now that you have both sides sewed, you have one side that has no opening and the one that has an opening, and now time to flip it. Ta-da! Now we're gonna stuff it and sew this inwards. Pin down, now time to sew. Tie the ends and cut. Time to make the center band. Just scrunch it. Now that you have your band all sewn and lined together, one side doesn't have to be perfect, the other one's the side you're going to be using. So, and then get your bow and put it together. I do recommend glue the bow with the ribbon so you can actually like wear it. And then I recommend a bobby pin going through one of the layers of the ribbon. My Trixie bow. Now all I need is a bobby pin and I'm set. Thanks for watching.